Did you know that black bears are not always black? They can also be brown, cinnamon, or even white. Bears are members of the Eucidae family of mammals. They can range in size from 4 feet long and 60 pounds, like the sun bear, to 8 feet long and over 1,000 pounds, like the polar bear. They can be found in North and South America, Europe, and Asia. Bears have short tails, non-retractable claws, and a keen sense of smell. Except for mothers, with cubs, they're usually solitary. There are 8 species to choose from: Asiatic black bears, brown bears, giant pandas, North American black bears, polar bears, sloth bears, spectacled bears, and sun bears are some of the most common. On average, bears can live up to 25 years in the wild and 50 in captivity. 6 species, including the polar bear and the giant panda, are included on the IUCN Red List as threatened or vulnerable. When food is scarce in the winter, most bears resort to hibernation, a physical state in which the heart rate, body temperature, metabolism, and respiration are all reduced. Black and grizzly bears can go for up to 100 days without eating, drinking, urinating, or defecating. They survive on a layer of fat that they accumulate over the summer and fall. Female bears rouse in their dens during hibernation to give birth to up to 4 cubs. Giant pandas do not hibernate, so they usually only have 1 cub. Bear cubs are usually strong enough to totter out after their mother after only a few months. Although all bears are omnivores, each species has a preferred diet. Polar bears primarily eat seals. When available, American black bears enjoy berries and insect larvae. Giant pandas prefer bamboo, but will eat small animals. Sloth bears, despite their name, are voracious eaters, capable of tearing a hole in a termite mound, pushing their noses inside, and inhaling a full meal in a matter of seconds. Brown bears in Alaska gorge themselves on spawning salmon, plucking them from the water or catching them mid-flight. Habitat loss, especially from logging, agriculture, and growing human populations, is one of the most serious threats to all bear species. Bears' hunting range is shrinking, which means they're more likely to come into contact with humans, potentially resulting in human-wildlife conflict. Bears are sometimes killed for human safety or in retaliation for livestock hunting or crop raiding. The illegal wildlife trade also threatens some bear species, such as Asiatic black bears and sun bears. Traditional Chinese medicine uses bear bile, which is produced in the gallbladder. Gallbladders, paws, skins, and other parts of Asiatic black bears and sun bears may be poached. Let's look at some fun facts about bears. Did you know that brown bears are the most widespread bear in the world? Did you know that there is now a mix between polar bears and grizzly bears? So we're getting roller bears and grizzly bears. Did you know that white black bears have a cultural significance? They're known in British Columbia as the spirit bear. Did you know that polar bears are technically marine mammals? They spend most of their time on the ice, so technically they are not living on land. There's only one bear who lives in the southern hemisphere. This is called the spectacled bear. I hope you enjoyed learning about bears today. Thanks for watching and good luck studying.